In today's video, we are going to learn about YouTube bumper ads in Google. Friends, whenever we are watching any videos on YouTube, there is a 5 or 6 seconds ad that pops up on that, which we can't skip and have to watch that till the end. So then, if you want to show your entire ad to your audience in a way where they cannot skip it, then for that you will need to use this particular ad format and run it properly. And today, I'm not just going to teach you how to create this ad, I'll also share some tips, tricks and strategies. And using this way, you will be able to optimize your budget and get better results with less cost. Like how we do it in our digital marketing agency. So I'm going to teach you the same things. So stay tuned till the end of the video. So now you can see my Google Ads account is open on my computer screen. I'm going to create a new campaign. I'm clicking on the plus sign, click on new campaign. I have the objectives option, but I am not choosing any objectives now. But here, I'll click on create a campaign without goal. Choose my campaign type as video because I want to run a YouTube ad. Here, one thing to keep in mind is that there are different types of campaigns like video views, efficient reach and non-skippable ads, drive, audio and engagement to increase the subscriptions. But then, every single campaign cannot be created in every single subtype. For example, if I'm talking about video views here, then instead you can run skippable in-stream and in-feed shorts ads, but you can't run bumper ads. You can run in a few. So then I will be choosing the efficient reach for a particular subtype. Now here I can run bumper ads, I can run in-stream ads, I can run in-feed and shorts as well. So then I have chosen reach for now and you can run some of them. The type of campaign you want to run, the objective and the subtype you want to choose, you have to do it based on nature of business and requirements. And we will continue after efficient reach and click on start new campaign. Okay, so now we will quickly give a name to this. Video campaign, okay? I mean video efficient reach, MF, bumper, ads, okay? Put in the date and move on. So there are several ad formats here. It says that we need to choose. So what will we do? We'll choose the in-stream bumper capable, the two options appearing on top. We won't use the in-feed or shorts format, so we'll turn that off. The bidding strategy is automatically selected as cost per impression, which means cost per 1000 impressions. And this will be charged. So now there are two types of budget. As in, I can set the budget in two ways. The first is a total campaign. A total campaign means that say I put 10,000 rupees here. And then I am setting a date from the 20th to the 30th. So then 10,000 rupees will be divided for those many days and then the campaign will end. This is called the total campaign budget, but then I will set a daily budget here, which is going to be a very good option for beginners. Let's say I'm running an ad for 10,000 rupees a day. Sorry, 1,000 or 500 rupees a day. Whatever amount you want to spend on ads, put that amount and run them. I went to the network option. From here, I will only choose YouTube's network because these people have limited budgets. And then we don't have enough to run ads on all platforms and networks. So then whichever platform you want to reach your audience on, so you'll have to run ads on that specific platform. Okay? So I've chosen YouTube. If I were running a PPC search campaign, then I would have chosen the Google search network. So then choose YouTube and remove everything else. And here in the location, you need to select all countries and territories. So you need to select India or select other locations. Then you'll run all India ads, so select that. If you want to run an ad in a particular city or state, you can choose it from here. You can also choose by location or radius. And this particular location should be within a certain radius and my ads should show up. I had taught you this in previous videos. I taught everything in detail. So you have to choose your location according to preference. So then as I've already chosen the location, let us move on. Here in the language section, you can choose all languages as well or English and Hindi. I have selected English and Hindi because my target audience understands English and Hindi. That's why I've kept it that way. I'll do nothing in related videos. This is an important section in the additional settings. And here is budget optimization options, such as devices. Now let's say I have to run my ads on every device, every platform. So I will choose the first option. If I want to do specific targeting based on devices, then let's say, for example, I make Apple iPhone covers. Just an example. Okay, so then I will target those who use mobile phones and not computers or tablets. I will target them based on the operating system and then target the network by choosing the different set of devices, models, operating systems, screens, etc. And so then this is going to be a very good thing if you know which specific audience you want to target and then choose them so your budget will be spent only on them. This is budget optimization. For now, I will be choosing the all option. So now why is frequency capping done? Now tell me one thing, in a day our budget, be it 500,000 or 2,000, whatever we'll spend per day. So now there is one user who will see the ad 2 or 3 times and they might click on it. But showing it 10 times won't make them click. They'll get annoyed and you will waste your money because we are paying to show it. YouTube is charging for this. So here I'm going to set a frequency cap so that a person sees the ad only 3 times a day. You can apply it twice, 4 times, 3 times, it's up to you. My money won't be wasted by showing my ad 10, 20 times to one person. This is also a way of budget optimization. So here I have selected the ad schedule, which is very important. Because friends, you need to select the days on which you want your ads to run. Then at what time do you want to run the ads? Like I prefer morning. And the ads should start at 9. And then the ad I am running. So that should stop in the evening completely by around 8 p.m. at least, as my audience is active in this timeline. And so this is going to ensure that your ads will not run on unnecessary days or at unnecessary times, and will also save money. And Google itself will turn your ads on and off, so then you don't have to activate or deactivate the ads manually, so they won't be hampered. Keep this in mind. So then now here friends, we will give the ad group a specific name. We'll give the ad group a name. So bumper, YT, ads. So then we gave a name here. So choosing the audience is the most important thing here. If you have saved any audience, then you can use the saved audience. Whatever name you have saved it under, you can use it. Make sure to do the demographics because, you know, friends, and because it is not for every product or service or all age group or gender. If you have it, you can keep everything. If not, then let's say for the specific digital marketing services that are there. So then that is going to be used by professionals from the age of 25. I want to target people up to 44 years old. Okay, so I've chosen that. I mean, let's say if my product is specifically for females, so I'll choose female and remove male. If it's for male, then remove female. The rest, now I'm going to target a very specific audience. So as I've targeted like this, see here. So then the targeting here is getting decreased and my budget is completely going more towards those people who are going to be my focused prospects, that these people can be also converted into proper customers. Furthermore, in addition to the demographics, you can target parents also. Like if you have a play school for children, you would target parents directly. So these are different types of settings that are given. And then here, what are the interest details and demographics? Okay. And now if you want to add any interests, detailed demographics or anything else, then you can add it from here and you can also browse. Just like I showed you in market audiences, affinity audiences, life events, then detailed demographics and custom interests. I have shown you how to do all of this and how to do it. I have explained everything previously in this course. Okay, but then right now the targeting that I am going to do it now, based on keywords which I explained in the previous video. Now I will explain it. Okay, now I am going to search for the topic here. Let's say digital marketing. Okay, I have chosen a topic. So I am going to write business, advertising, search engine optimization. And in this particular way, I chose the different options that I think is best for my work. So then I chose sales and marketing here. Now the specific data of people who are interested in these topics has been further filtered. So then now I have chosen these topics. Now here I am going to create a video, and since it is a bumper ad, so it should not be longer than 5-6 seconds. So let me take you to my channel for that, where I have already uploaded a dummy video on this. It's already uploaded. Okay, so then as you can see here, I have the settings. I copied it. After copying, we went back and pasted this URL here. And the video has come here. Now it is asking to set up in a vertical format like shorts. So if you have a video for shorts that is 5 or 6 seconds long, so you can create that, okay. You can also add that for both formats. The ad will show, okay. Here we will put the final URL, so I will put the landing page of my website. So then whatever you want to add here, you can do that here itself. So I'm putting the path here. Digital marketing. Okay. And then for the call to action, I am going to add a product like shop now or sign up. You can customize it. Here you can add a CTA. I'll choose learn more. You can click and go to my website, the landing page. Okay, then now we'll add the headline. Understood? Digital marketing. So then this is my headline which I have given here. You can give your headline like digital marketing. So now I have given the proper services here. If you want to give a long headline, then give a long headline. Headline. I would suggest that you write up to 90 characters here. Like if you see, I am showing it to you here. So then write. We will type here best digital marketing. Service. Provider. In Delhi. Okay. I am putting in a dummy, so you have to write a good headline, do some copywriting, so you can tell the other person a lot in a few words. Look at this description here. I'm putting in a dummy and you need to make it good because this attracts people. It's not just the video that attracts people. What's written above and below also attracts the user bodies and compels it to click on that ad. Okay. An ad is created here. Now I have told you many times that whenever you run a campaign, you don't run just one ad, you run multiple ads. Because you are also not aware about what kind of ads your audience will like or which ads they will react to. So create 2 or 3 ads with different headings and other things, so that when Google runs that campaign and the ad that the public likes more or which give you a better response, it will promote that one more, you will spend more money on it, so it will be A/B testing for you and for Google. We'll get a few options and this is the best way. Okay, so here we will add a bidding strategy. Now it's saying that we will take around 76 rupees. Okay, so that you can get a good reach at a cost per impression, meaning of showing it to thousands of people. And then I said you can take 77 rupees instead. We are not stingy, but show our ad to the people as much as possible. So it has given the projections and all here. So you will see that it's approximately. And the results may not be the same. They could be better or same, or they could be lower. It will be according to your ad, your product, and the settings that you have done. Okay, so we'll click on create campaign here. When we clicked on create campaign, my ad is done and I will go to continue to overview, and when I go there, I'll go to the campaign and see if it's done. Okay, so my campaign is done. Look, the video efficient reach bumper ad is done. And my ad has been approved and it is also eligible. But since I don't want to run it right now, I will obviously pause it. I had made this ad to teach you. We will create this for our client. You'll create it for yourself, so we'll invest time and create it nicely. Okay, so how did you find it, friends? Did you understand it well? Make sure to practice this entire course and practice it so that you learn well. Thank you.